Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Nancy. This time I will sharing my another exercise. Now for the fingering technique is the harmonic. This is the harmonic, for example, and then to touch your string on the half place, you must found it in the half place of each string. For example, I will use this string, the green string, this pawn and this pawn, the two pawn. You must found that in the middle place, and then mark down the middle place. Use a pencil. For example, you must find the harmonic place. For example, if you don't touch on the middle place, and then there's no any harmonic, will appear. But if you touch on the exactly the middle place, this is the harmonic sound very clearly. Okay, and then mark down. Use your pencil to make a mark. Okay, and then next all this line, all the string, to mark down. Oh, I have already to mark down all the marks. I will make it clearly. Okay, from this song, I will try it from the beginning. This song is transferred from Guzheng, but this time I will use in the Guzheng. So from the beginning, you follow the fingering technique of your right hand, and then your left hand. If you don't wear any pegs, you can use the index finger. I will make a mark. The string must on this place, don't on this place. This mark on the middle. The first. Oh, I don't know how to say this place. Just the middle place. And then when you pluck the string, your index finger must touch the string, but not dynamic. Don't put more power on the string. Just touch, silence. Just touch, and then when you pluck, two finger goes up your index at the same time with your thumb. If you don't goes up, maybe the harmonic don't appear, or don't like that. Don't pluck. Don't use your index finger to pluck the string. Just goes up with your thumb at the same time. Okay, I will from the beginning. Oh, sorry. This song from the beginning is on the first note is on the bass sole, not the middle sole. Okay, I will explain them more. From the bass sole, you press the sole. You appear the arpeggio, the pitch is an octave higher. This so is exactly this so. Exactly this so, but we will use on this string, but the pitch is an octave higher. You must follow your music score. If your music score, the note is on this place, you must practice on this place. For example, and then I begin. Okay, the last note is an octave, so you must place on the two finger. The first, you use your thumb to place on this mark, and then I have not yet marked this string, so I will guess the middle place is on this time. So I have already found the middle place and then two strings at the same time. Okay, if you don't mark any the middle point, so you must guess to the place. So I suggest you to mark the place first, and then to play the harmonic. So thank you for watching my video. Hope my sharing can help you. See you next time. Bye.